Hello everybody of YouTube. We are here today at Magic Kingdom checking out the all new reopened Grand Prix auto little race thing, construction of Tron, and we're on the hunt for a special smoothie at Auntie Gravity. So stay with us and we're gonna take you on our little day at Magic Kingdom. So the monorails keep backing up today, so we took the pathway from Contemporary. And they're doing away with these, the Legacy Stones, I believe they're called, at the Transportation and Ticketing Center, but I think they're gonna remain over here, so fingers crossed that they stay because they're really cool. When you come in this cool little way, you bypass all the transportation and ticketing hassles like the boat, the monorail, but a lot of people think that's some of the best parts Disney, so we don't recommend it unless you're eating or staying at Contemporary. Thank you. All right, we are in. Time to go check out Tron and the new Grand Prix. Alright, so this is a very long wait, so we're gonna go get a smoothie and do the People Mover instead. Sounds like a good plan to me. Morgan has some treats. Alright, so I guess in the last couple of days, the Tomorrowland Speedway is open. It's been down for quite a while for Tron construction, and it finally reopened, so we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna give it a ride, and we're gonna have a fun time on it because I love this attraction. I was pretty sad, and I thought they're gonna take it away. Alright, so we're standing on the platform, and obviously these are open. There's cast members adding cars to them right now, but they are open. You can see there are a bunch of riders back there. You can see the Tron supports, and everything over here looks pretty much the same. Fresh coat of paint. Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful new paint. You can see right over there is Tron construction. The black supports for the indoor section have been up. The downward helix, just like in Shanghai. The crane putting in some more supports, and we're gonna go right over there on to the People Mover to check out some more of it. Time for the people mover. So it is absolutely poured, a little bit wet, but how we stayed dry is we rode that guy, the people mover, 3 times in a row to get some Tron content for you guys. The first pieces of track were installed. You have the base of the helix, you have kind of a little turn, which looks awesome. The Tomorrowland Speedway is now open, which we got a ride on. And the rain looks like it cleared for the most part, so we're gonna go do our big Thunder Mountain Fast Pass and end the night here. Go eat at some Grand Contemporary and some drinks.
At the Outer Rim.
The Outer Rim is the closest place to get alcohol to Magic Kingdom. They have an amazing cocktail menu, definitely recommend it. So Speedway's open, Tron is being built over there. You can keep it from the people mover, and the park is doing amazing. Flowers blooming. The rain definitely helped cool it off because it was hot, extremely hot today, very, very hot. What do you think? Do you think it was hot today?
Extremely.
97 degrees today in May, 97 degrees. And in a week we'll be at Disneyland for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge opening day, which we're so excited about. So we're enjoying some Magic Kingdom days before we head to California and checking out some new stuff for you guys.
Attention people mover passengers, please remain seated with all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your vehicle as vehicle bumping may occur. Ride motion will begin immediately.